he played upon Sursa's pride. For this purpose, he even provoked her. Because angering the opponent often makes one's task easier. A battle that cannot be won by force can be won through strategy. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 1, Chaupai number 4 and 5, through which we will see that where power does not work, there strategy works. जो जन भरते ही बदन पसारा, कपितनु कीन्ह दुगुन बिस्तारा, 16 जो जन मुख ते ही ठयऊ, तुरत पवन सुत 32 भयऊ. जस जस सुर सा बदन बढ़ावा, तासु दून कपि रूप दिखावा, 7 जो जन ते ही आनन कीन्हा, अति लघु रूप पवन सुत लीन्हा. Hanumanji is called Bajrangbali, but it should also be remembered that he was not only supreme in physical strength, he was equally outstanding in mental strength and intelligence. He was skilled in diplomacy, warfare strategy, and tactical planning as well. Reflect on the moment when Sri Ram, while wandering in search of Sita ji, reached the Kishkindha mountain. Hanuman, through his eloquence and intelligence, impressed even the Lord Ram himself. That is why Sri Ram chose him for the task of searching for Sita ji. This was so because to overcome the illusion and deception of the cunning Ravan, mere physical strength, mere accumulation of weapons, or even mastery and practice in using them was not sufficient. To defeat the conspiracies of crafty Ravan, intellectual capability was also essential. Now, when the test in the form of Sursa appeared before Bajrangi, Hanuman first accepted the challenge of physical strength and attempted to overcome it. Goswami Tulsidas ji says, जो जन भरते ही बदन पसारा, कपितनु कीन्ह दुगुन बिस्तारा, 16 जो जन मुख ते ही ठयऊ, तुरत पवन सुत 32 भयऊ. Sursa expanded her body to the size of 1 yojan. 1 yojan equals 4 kos, and 1 kos is approximately 3 kilometers, meaning 1 yojan is about 12 kilometers. So when Sursa enlarged her body to about 12 kilometers, Hanumanji expanded himself to twice that size, that is 2 yojans. When Sursa increased her size to 16 yojans, the Pavanputra expanded himself to 32 yojans. In this way, both kept enlarging their bodies, growing bigger than one another. जस जस सुर सा बदन बढ़ावा, तासु दून कपि रूप दिखावा, 7 जो जन ते ही आनन कीन्हा, अति लघु रूप पवन सुत लीन्हा. As Sursa continued to expand herself, Hanumanji kept displaying a form twice her size. When due to this competition, Sursa expanded herself so much that just her head alone became as large as 100 yojans, Hanumanji suddenly made his body extremely small. By doing this, he entered Sursa's mouth and instantly came back out before she could even close it. Because closing such a massive mouth naturally takes time. And this is usually how it works. What cannot be done with a very large body can often be accomplished quickly by a much smaller one. Hanuman was well aware of this fact. He played upon Sursa's pride. For this purpose, he even provoked her. Because angering the opponent often makes one's task easier. In Valmiki Ramayana, Sarg 1, Shlok 159, Hanuman says, Evo muktah sursaya kruddho vanar purangavah abravit kuru ve vaktram yen mam vishishyase. When Sursa challenged him in this manner, the king of Vanaras became enraged and said, Expand your mouth so wide that my body can fit inside it. Then, by enlarging his body to twice her size, he challenged Sursa again, and accepting that challenge, Sursa would expand her form even further. But just as it is difficult to seize a gigantic being, it is even more difficult to capture a subtle, minute one. Thus, demonstrating his intelligence, Bajrangi defeated Sursa purely through the power of wisdom, without any battle, without any physical struggle. So, what lessons do we learn from today's Chopai? Intelligence is greater than brute force. A battle that cannot be won by force can be won through strategy. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who rely solely on physical power. The Doha says, Rahiman dekh baden ko laghu na dijiye dar, jahan kaam aave sui, kaha kare talwar. O Rahim, do not discard the small ones after seeing the greater ones. A sword is usually useless where a needle does the trick. Not every task can be accomplished with a sword. Sometimes a needle is required. Now look, in big cities, with the increasing population, the biggest problem has become vehicle parking. This gentleman has found such an excellent solution to it that even NASA scientists are searching for him. सब प्रश्नों का हल है मानस, दुर्बल का भी बल है मानस, है सबके लिए हितकारी, तो बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।